My sister, she was 12 weeks pregnant last year. In the middle of the starvation, she was going in the streets for days without any proper meal, and she miscarried because of malnutrition. And currently she is pregnant again, 20 weeks pregnant, and the starvation hit again. And now the doctors told her that she needs a blood thinners to prevent clots in the lungs and stuff. And she's phoning me and she's telling me that she's looking everywhere. Finding a one injection is a mission impossible. And if you find one, it will cost more than any family can afford. And imagine without this injection, she might lose her life or her baby. And there is many aspects that I can tell you about on and on about the situation, but it is beyond comprehension. And maybe we talked about maternal mortality and issues. There is childhood problems. There is people with the chronic diseases. So many aspects in healthcare system is suffering right now in Gaza. This is not just an abstract to me. It's